Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these double hoop earrings. So let's get started. To make these easy hoop earrings, first I'm going to start by winding around something round. I'm just using a prescription bottle. And I'm going to cut that approximately a ½ inch further than the hoop. And then I'll just prepare a second one. For the second hoop, again, I'm going to wind it around my bottle. And I'm going to cut it approximately 3/4 of an inch smaller. Now I can open that up and cut a second one the same size. I'm going to form a loop on the end of this larger hoop, like that. And then I'm going to center it and tighten. And now I'm going to place my beads on this ring. And I'm going to use these silver beads. And I'm going to thread them on. Until you have enough beads that will still wrap around the bottle. Pass the wire end through the hoop. Pull it tightly and bend it up like that. Like that. Cut the wire to approximately ½ inch. Slide it out of the loop and form a loop. Like that. Turn both loops. Like that. So that they come together. Reform the circle on the bottle. And now I'm going to take my smaller length and I'm going to do the same thing. Form a loop. Center it. Thread on some beads. Like that. Until you have about a ½ inch left. Form a loop. Center it. Like that. And then shape it around your container. And now you can just finish shaping it. Bring those two ends together. Face both of the loops like that. And now you'll need a jump ring, and I have a link below for how to make your own jump rings. And I'm going to place the small hoop on a jump ring. Close the jump ring, like that, and I'm going to add another jump ring. And close the jump ring. And that jump ring will be placed between these two loops. Pass the jump ring through all the loops. Like that. And close the jump ring. Like that. And you can reshape these a bit. And I have an ear wire. And I'll put a link below on how to make your own ear wires. And I'll attach an ear wire. Like that. And that's how easy it is to make these double hoop earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.